don't know if you remember the pedals I made months ago, but I finally just got them bolted back in. And they're looking pretty good. Everything, it was kind of a pain in the butt to put in, but they're all in now, which is cool. And I got the master cylinder and brake booster back together, so that's all bolted in. And the steering column as well too, that's bolted in. The master came out awesome. All right, next I'm gonna put the fuel rail in, because I have to put that in before I put the manifold on. But I can't even put the manifold on until I do the wiring, so I might just leave the manifold off for now. But I'll at least get the fuel rail in for now, so that should only take me a minute. Over here, this should just clip in. It's got the ring already in there. And you just push it in. In theory, it should just fucking... There it goes. You know it went in because a little bit of dust came off. But before I do the reservoir, I think I have it sitting on this bracket here, but I think I'm gonna wanna put the wiper blade motor assembly in there first. I found the wiper assembly and it was just looking a little tatty, so I just like spray painted it black real quick. So while that's drying, I'm gonna do the coil pack and spark plugs next, because it needs to go in there before the manifold goes on anyways. So I got that right here. Wiper assembly. I just hit it with a coat of paint, but it's dry enough that I can put it in at least. But this is nice though, because this is straight from the Volkswagen I got it from. So it's a Mark IV wiper assembly, and it's such a game changer compared to the old mini wipers. This thing just goes, it moves. That's nice, and it fits nice right on top of this shelf I got back here. And I got 2 bolt holes right there where it bolts in. That's nice. The only other modification I had to do to fit this was make a new one of these holes. I think this one's the new one because it's like so close to this one and this one's so far away, or vice versa. I forgot which one it is, but I had to make a new hole and close up the old hole. That way I wouldn't have to mess with these arms, the lengths or anything, but it fits nice right there. It's tucked up out of the way. And I have like 3 speeds and it's nice. Yeah. And then I have the wedge spacers to it. I just gotta find them. But I'm not gonna put those on yet until, you know, the window's in and whatnot. Well, that's a bummer. Whoops. Apparently it interferes this. I don't remember what I did wrong there, but apparently it's not gonna fit.